So once you install your crypto wallet Token Pocket or Tron Pro, for this example I'm taking Token Pocket. You can see this is the Token Pocket app which I have saved it here. Once you open this, I'm opening it and ask for the password. So I have logged into my Token Pocket. This already I have created a wallet. If you are doing it for the first time, it will ask for you to create a new wallet. So what you need to do is, you'll see a window like this. Here you need to search which you want to do. If you cannot find the token here, like these are the list of tokens which you can see here, these are list. Okay, if you cannot see this, you can search it here in the search bar. So I'm searching for Tron. I can type Tron or I can select Tron. Okay, it's showing now. Touch this. Three options are there: create wallet, import wallet, disable. So if you have got already wallet, you can import that wallet with the private key. If not, for the first timer, you need to click this first option, create wallet. So once you click this, the next button, first option is create a wallet for free. First one, the first option, click this. So now you put a password. Any password will do. Like let me create something. Let me stop this. So once you put the password, select the terms and condition, agree for that, tick that, and then create wallet. So all these terms and conditions, like assets are controlled by private keys and secret recovery phrase. Once clicked, assets can be controlled by others. All these tell you that the next step, what you do is the most important step, where you get the 12 keywords. That's a private keys which you should keep safe, because if you change your phone or you have uninstalled the crypto wallet like Token Pocket, to reinstall and get back the original Tron wallet or some other wallet, you need those 12 keywords. Very important. You cannot share it with somebody. It's like the key to your treasury. Okay, you have to keep it very safe. So once you read all this, you have to agree the understood. Click the understood. So these are the three once again cautions for you. If I lose my secret recovery phrase, my assets will be gone. You have to tick that. You have read that. If I share my secret recovery phrase to others, my asset will be stolen. You have to tick that. It is my responsibilities to keep the secret recovery phrase safe. Then this gets activated. Generate mnemonic. Okay. So this is the tap to recover display recovery phrase. Okay. This is where if you click this, the 12 keywords will be shown. So I'll do that because I will not be saving this wallet anymore. So now you touch that, it will show all the 12 words. Okay, this is the recovery phrase for your private wallet. So now you need to take a screenshot like I'm doing it, or you can, the better still, write it down, keep it in a safe, keep it in a locker. Okay, so now you have to tell them completed backup, verify it now. You have saved it. Okay, now it will ask for you to repeat it. So what you need to do, completed backup, verify it now. Now you have to, what you need to do is, according to the order of it is like I will show you this. So this one, so orbit, quit, root. I have to go back and select that orbit, quit, and root. Now if I click something wrong, see it's showing setup, it's wrong. Now what I have to go back and check that. The next three words, horn, visa, name. So horn, visa, name. So second row is complete. Now if I try once again some wrong thing, injury is correct. Now go back and check what it is. Injury, youth, and few. Instead of youth, I'll put few. Let's see what happens. See, it's showing wrong. Delete it, and injury, what is that? Youth and few. Youth and few. So last three words are remaining. Now what I need to do is gentle setup alter. Okay, gentle setup alter. If I make a mistake of that, it will show it's a mistake. Confirm. If you do the confirm, your wallet is created. You have saved the 12 keywords. Done. You will go back and you find your wallet created like this. So this is how you create a new wallet, whether it is for Tron or any other thing, on a private wallet, where you can save the private keys so that it is your own. It's not like a Binance exchange where it is somebody else's control. This is your control, 100% your control, your private treasury. Okay, locker, you can say. So this is how you create a wallet. Go ahead and create it and get back to me as soon as possible. Thank you. God bless you.